Okay, next I'll let you find the condition for the chord Lx plus My equal to 1 and the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is a curve and this is a line. Okay. To subtend a right angle at the horizon. To subtend a right angle at the horizon means subtend a right angle. Right angle means angle between the lines is 90 degrees. Already we know that in the before that problem also we discussed. Angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. That is the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. We are using that condition. Here we are finding the condition. What is the condition? Angle between subtend a right angle at the horizon. Okay, here in this problem we are using the condition. What is that condition? That is the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. We are using that condition, we get this condition directly. Okay, given curve is, what is the curve here? Given curve is x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation 1. And given line is nothing but the chord. That line is given line is Lx plus My is equal to 1. This is the equation is we take it as 2. Okay. Here also same procedure, homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Here having unequal powers, here power 2, here power 2, here in this there is no xy term. There is no xy term means power is 0. So we are adding the equal powers. That is the homogenizing equation 1, homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Okay, homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. That implies homogenizing equation 1, that implies x square plus y square. That a square is a transfer this side becomes minus a square. X square plus y square, this a square is a transfer this side becomes minus a square. Here power 2, here power 2. Here there is no power, there is no xy term, so power is 0. Here we are adding power 2 equal to 0. Now it becomes a homogeneous equation. 2, 2, 2. So having equal powers, so this is a homogeneous equation. But 1 is equal to what now? Lx plus My. Substitute in this problem. That implies x square plus y square minus a square of 1 is equal to Lx plus My whole square is equal to 0. Lx plus My whole square equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square minus a square into, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square is Lx whole square. Lx whole square can be written as L square x square plus b square is m square y square. B square is m square y square plus 2ab. 2 into lm xy. Xy is xy. 2lm xy. 2lm xy is equal to 0. Okay. Now this implies x square plus y square. This minus a square is a transfer inside. That is minus a square L square x square plus into minus is minus a square m square y square minus a square m square y square plus into minus is minus 2lm xy into a square. That is 2a square lm xy. Xy is equal to 0. Okay. This equation is ax square plus bx plus c form. First, compare the coefficient of x square. X square coefficients, I am underlining the x square coefficients in this equation. Here this is one x square equation. This is one more x square equation. From this take x square common. From this take x square common. That is x square of, here x square coefficient is 1. Here is X square quotient is 1 minus a square L square. Okay, this is the x square quotient. Next, xy term. Next xy term. Here only we have one xy term. This is the xy term. I am writing directly. That is minus 2a square Lm xy. Xy quotient. This is the completely xy quotient. Xy term is only when we have one xy term. I am taking directly. Next, come to y square terms. This is a 1y square term. Here we have one more y square. From this take y square common. From this take y square common. That implies here quotient of y square is 1. Here quotient of y square is minus a square m square. That is 1 minus a square m square is equal to 0. Now this equation is compared with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. From that we get a, b and 2h values. Okay, compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay, here x square quotient. This is the x square quotient. Completely this is x square quotient. So we take small a is equal to x square quotient is small a. Here x square quotient is 1 minus a square L square. So we take small a is equal to 1 minus a square L square. Next, xy term. Xy quotient. Here xy quotient is 2h. Here xy quotient is, this is the completely xy quotient. So we take 2h is equal to minus 2a square Lm. Minus 2a square Lm. Next, come to y square quotient. Here y square quotient is b. Here y square quotient is 1 minus a square m square. So I take b is equal to 1 minus a square m square. From this 2 is cancelled. H is we get minus a square Lm. Okay. Given in this problem, substitute the right angle at the horizon. Right angle at the horizon means the condition is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Condition is, here we are using this condition. Substitute the right angle means condition is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of y square is b. That implies a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0. But a is equal to what now? From this, a is equal to 1 minus a square L square plus b is equal to 1 minus a square m square is equal to 0. That implies 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to, this minus a square L square is transferred this side, becomes plus a square L square. This minus a square M square is transferred that side, becomes plus a square M square. 2 is equal to, from this common term is a square. Therefore, a square of L square plus M square is the condition when two lines are perpendicular. This is the condition for angle between two lines. Substance a right angle at the horizon means this is the condition. Okay, hence proof.